Hey all, today we're going to be talking about probability combinations. And so what that means is, for example, you go to a baseball game and your choices are you want to buy a cheeseburger or a hot dog. Okay? Everybody loves cheeseburgers and hot dogs, right? So, and on them you could get ketchup, mustard, and pickle, or pickle. You can only get one thing, okay? So combinations are basically how we combine things, so we combine certain choices. We can only pick one combination though, all right? So we know we can get a cheeseburger with ketchup, or we can get a cheeseburger with mustard, or we can get a cheeseburger with pickle, okay? Now we have those same choices for our hot dog. That means we can get a cheeseburger with ketchup, a hot dog with ketchup, a hot dog with mustard, or a hot dog with pickle. Probably relish, honestly. But so in this scenario, that means we've got 1, 2, 3 combinations for a cheeseburger, and 1, 2, 3 combinations for pickle. Now, you see, this is super messy. So there's an easier way to do this. I'm going to show it to you. It's called a tree diagram. Okay. So I'm going to abbreviate here. So we've got cheeseburger, and we've got hot dog. Okay. And we have our choices. Our choices are ketchup, mustard, and pickle. Okay. Now, we know that we can do, we know that we can do all 3 of these with cheeseburger. And we also know that we can do all 3 of these with hot dog. And to make our tree diagram, all we need to do is kind of make a tree. So we can do cheeseburger and ketchup, cheeseburger and mustard, cheeseburger and pickle, hot dog and ketchup, hot dog and mustard, hot dog and pickle. And then if we want to know how many combinations there are, we just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 total combinations in this scenario. Sorry, ran out of room there. But this is it's easy way to do it. A lot of times you'll get these in a story problem, and it will just list out every possible thing you can do. Just figure out what your 2 main choices are. In this case, it is cheeseburger and hot dog. Okay, cheeseburger and hot dog. And these are things that go on each of them. Just link them up. Make sure everything is represented. If you have a list of things that says ketchup, mustard, and pickle, make sure that each of your main choices over here has a ketchup, a mustard, and a pickle next to it, and then just count them. A lot of times they'll ask you which combination is missing. So let's remake this, and we'll figure out what combination is missing. This will be easy because I'm literally just going to erase it. Okay? Alright? So we know that there has to be 6 of them. And we know that, so we have ketchup up here, cheeseburger and ketchup, hot dog and ketchup, cheeseburger and mustard, hot dog and, we're missing mustard. So we know that must be the missing one. Okay? So this can sometimes be tricky, the way they word it. Read everything carefully, use your cube strategy, you're going to be fine.